Get one Raspberry Pi 2W with soldered header pins. Get one Waveshare e-ink display with Raspberry Pi hat attachment and attach with Raspberry Pi 2W. Get one UPS for device which is delivering 5V to power Raspberry Pi 2W. Let boot the device by installing Pwnagotchi tool on Raspbian operating system and switch on the device while connected with power source.
Device will start scanning the all Wi-Fi sources near you and start handshaking between the networks. It will generate the handshake PCAB file which you can download from the device to your machine. Here you can see the device is scanning all Wi-Fi surrounding me and generating handshake files for all Wi-Fi. After this, I will collect them to recover passwords. By using this device, you can get all Wi-Fi password. Please don't use it for wrong purpose, it's only for learning purpose. For such more learning videos, please subscribe vinjo.skills.